Are you looking for the best quality women's 2-piece floral lace body set? If yes, we have a solution for this. Hibaly Inc. presenting JANN Women's 2-piece floral lace body set. This bodysuit will make you hot, charming and sexy. It made with 100% pure nylon. The material is perfect for sleepwear or indoor activities. You can also use it for swimming or other outdoor activities. These pajama sets are skin-friendly, super soft, and comfortable. It's also breathable and stretchy so the skin will not feel burdened. Perfect size 90 to 165 pounds. Perfect gift for Valentine's Day, anniversary days, or birthday. It not only increases the relationship, but also makes your life more colorful and full of surprises. We also offer you 100% risk-free and satisfaction guarantee so you can buy it with confidence. So why are you waiting? To buy, please visit us, www.hibalyinc.com/JANN.